just good parenting, being able to distinguish right from wrong, coming out the house realizing how blessed I was, and what I had to do and on my part, which is put the love I got back in, because everybody wasn't watered correctly. You know what I'm saying? All the plants, which are humans, wasn't watered correctly. So I just named it that because we all the same, and some trees don't grow straight up because of the sunlight, because of the water, but we all water with some type of love. The music scene has affected my music in a way of where I've seen you got to be able to make room for the old, out with the old and in with the new, in a sense. Like the old you has to leave, and sometimes you got to bring a newer version of you, a better version of you, and still be competitive. Like I'm 33, I'm happy to say it, but surviving through a couple decades, close to a couple decades of this DMV music scene, just seeing the maturity and the things you have to own up to as a person, as a man, and put it back into your music so people could just know that you being your most authentic self. My album, Water with Love, that came out May the 21st, 5/21/21. Of course, Elu Volume 1 and 2 is out. Reinvention, I got a couple projects out, mixtapes, but this is my first debut album. It's personal, it's intimate, so check it out. I produced for a bunch of other cats out here, got some stuff coming out, but right now, Water with Love. Let's get it. Yeah, my social media is ABThePro_Elu, ABTHEPRO_EALU.